Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Man, we got some tripping weather. One day it's warm, and like a day today, it is cold. A little snow flurries, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. And then tomorrow, it's going to be back warm again. So anyway, we're out here in Dallas, Georgia. It's a little bit past Kennesaw, Ackworth. And my client, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Stewart. And they actually found me. Hold on one second, guys. All right, guys, so yes, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Stewart. So Mr. Stewart reached out to me about 2 weeks ago, and I just talked to Mrs. Stewart, and she said, yeah, Courtney, we had another guy come in, and he wanted to fully sand the floors, and we just knew there was another option. So Mr. Stewart reached out to me, asked me, did I service this area? And I said, yes, I do. And they actually noticed that I go out of state sometimes, too. So long story short, guys, they have a pre-finished floor. They've been putting wax on it, and now they just want to get the wax off and get the floors restored back to their original state. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be doing a wax removal and then buffing the floors out. So come on and follow me. Let me show you what we got going today. So we are in Dallas, Georgia. This is one of the biggest neighborhoods I've ever seen. So show you what we got going. All right, so we got about a little bit over 1,200 square feet of pre-finished floors. Check out these beautiful floors. All right. So again, guys, one of the best ways to tell, usually when people put wax on the floors, they go around the rug. And if you look really close, you see that? All right. And then also when certain products waste on the floor, if they're alkaline or if they're acidic, they'll also leave marks like that. So a lot of times then people do research like Mr. Stewart, they find my videos and they say that's the same problem we have. And also again, you can see, all right. So this is how the floors are supposed to look, has more of a matte finish on it. And you can see all this wax, and this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna remove the wax and take the floors back to its original state. And no, guys, if this is your issue, okay, and you do not wanna change the color of your floor, do not let anybody convince you into sanding your floor, all right? Okay, it's gonna be a waste of money, it's gonna be a waste of time. So we're gonna be doing this whole kitchen area right here, going into this foyer. Not gonna do over here. Mr. Stewart said he never put it in here. So we're gonna stop right here, and then we're gonna do this dining room. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you some of this. It's what you want, right? Thank you, thank you. All right, guys, we are almost done with this job. My client came upstairs to take a look. And as you can see, go back to the beginning of the video. You can see where they had that rug, that finish, all that wax is going. So let me show you guys what we got going. So we're still doing a little bit more buffing. See right here, you see this line? Let me zoom in. You see that? So that's the part that we have not done yet. So I do this on purpose for also the video, but also for my client as well, so they can see the difference in their floors. And this is how their floors are supposed to look. So what we're gonna do, come on up, Miss Ann. I ain't gonna get you on camera. Okay. I want you to stand this way, and you can see the kitchen. We have not done yet. You see that line? And you see the rest of it?
Yes.
That's how it's supposed to look.
Look over there.
Okay, so that's done.
That's done. Nice. Thank you, thank you. And
So this line
that's all the wax that we have not removed back.
that you have not. This
Yes,
is what you've done.
that's what I've done.
So come see,
And that guy told you had to sand the floors just because of this issue.
Wow.
Yep. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish getting the wax off in the kitchen, and then we're gonna thoroughly flat mop the floor one more time to get up, you know, a little residue. Sometimes the residue gets on the bottom of my feet. Yeah. So when we do that, we're gonna actually take our shoes off and flat mop the floors one more time, and that's it. Did not have to get the floor sanded.
you can't even see where the rug was.
No.
Nice.
Thank you.
Back to where it was.
Back to where it was, and that's how it's supposed to look. Did he give you a quote to sand the floors?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, thank you. I'm
like 7,000.
I was gonna say about 7,500. Yep.
$7,000.
Yep. Cause this is about 1,000, and I will say, yeah, that's about $6-7 a square foot. Yep, saying it. I don't say
That's what it costs.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
Yes. Oh yeah.
But
That's a lot of work.
sanding is going way deeper. Than
Oh yeah, it's basically taking all the because basically he would have taken off all the pre-finish, get down to the raw wood, and start it all over again.
He asked us if we wanted it
Stained.
lighter.
Yep.
I just didn't want that. I like my floor.
You like your floors, and you can see in less than 2 hours, it's back to how it should be.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
All right.
Man, I said you only got left is the kitchen.
Just got left in the kitchen. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Happy client. Now, what we do, you notice we're walking in our shoes. Not our shoes, we're walking without our shoes. The reason why sometimes the wax gets on the bottom of our feet and it creates residue. So when we're walking, it's leaving wax trails from our shoes. So we always take our shoes off when we do the post cleaning. But guys, look at these floors now, wax free, ready to get the furniture moved back in. Clients are so happy with the results. Come on through here. All right, can't see that line. You see that, Miss Stewart? All right, guys, and again, to save them thousands, they told me they was quoted over $7,000 to have these floors sanded just because of wax. And as you guys can see, that is not the case. All right, guys, thanks again. See you tomorrow.